Hey everybody, good morning from Atlantis. Happy 4th of July, by the way, too. Just wanted to give you guys a little update. We're checking out of the hotel today. We're gonna go run to the airport, check in, and then we are on the flight to Bangladesh. So pretty soon here, we'll be in Bangladesh for the next journey. All right, guys, stay happy. Talk to you soon.
Waiting for one more bag.
So whoop, so whoop. So whoop. We made it, Bangladesh. Just in case no one's ever seen this before, that's how the toilets are in Asia. They're just flat, holes in the ground. You gotta squat down and do your business. And there's the bidet. But yeah, that's India for you. And Bangladesh and some parts of Asia.
Joe doesn't know how to use his toilet. Someone teach him how to use his toilet.
This is his country, his house.
Yeah, if you gotta take a shit, you come in. I gotta do a number 2. So for example, in this case, I'm just not gonna take off my shit. You
gotta go below the knees though. That's
you gotta go below. That's the trick.
If you gotta go below the knees,
yeah, if you
all
don't
your
go
stuff's
below the
gonna fall
knees,
out.
you might like piss on your pants or some other
Or
shit.
the stuff falls out too.
Yeah, that too. So
look at that, bro.
below your knees.
Does that look comfortable
Squat,
to
so your
anybody?
butt hole gotta be aligned directly to the hole. So even if you have diarrhea and you're aligned to the hole, everything goes down.
I don't know.
You just sit here while you're Instagramming, just like tweeting, just do your natural thing. Just let it loose. When you're done,
Hey, don't squirt me, bro.
you just like quickly rinse your little asshole and then clean it up.
Clean all those hemorrhoids.
Yeah.
Alright, let me see if I can do it. From a Bangladeshian man, but from an American standpoint, I'm show you. I'm not taking my pants off like this nigga.
Can you balance?
Oh, I'm falling straight in. Yeah, no, we're gonna have to get me a stool, bro.
Leg day, bro.
Leg day? No, this is.
Them dandelion legs.
What you mean, dandelion? Look at them calves, dog. I'm gonna have to just use.
Go wide. Let's see. Go wide. Squat. Let's see what it does.
I have to go at an angle. So.
No, go. Like really try it, bro. I feel like you're not really trying. Like, I don't know if I would do that, bro. Don't put your hand on that. What's up, guys? Just wanted to give you a little quick update. Rob and I, we made it to Bangladesh today. It was mostly just a travel day. We left Dubai. Emirates was giving us a little trouble with our bags.
You love your planes.
Yeah, but your baggage
But your
rules,
baggage
come on.
stuff is a little off the wall, unnecessary.
But it was okay. We only handled it. It took us like a
We
couple
only
hours.
had to go to the baggage check-in 4 times.
4 times.
4
for
times,
real.
4 different times.
It was crazy. But we eventually got on the flight.
Definitely wasn't the biggest plane in the world, but it was a nice one.
It was definitely the stinkiest plane in the world.
That's a fact.
I blame all the dirty Bengalis. It's cool, you're my people, but you motherfuckers need a shower.
And then I just gotta say too, we got here, Rob's aunt was super hospitable. Like, I low-key feel like I'm part of the family. That's how nice they were already. They wouldn't let me pay for anything. I gave them $100 just to exchange money so I could get like their currency here. And his mom was getting mad because she thought that I was giving her money to pay for something because they're that hospitable. They don't want me to pay for anything. That's how nice they are out here. So yeah, it was a short day today.
To all my other homies, don't get no ideas, bro. Don't be like, oh shit, I want to go to their house.
Hey bro, if you make it out here, I guarantee they'll take care of you. You just gotta come out here. You gotta have the balls to come out here, explore the world a little bit, and they'll take care of you. Most people you meet, when I was in India, people would they're so generous. They'd invite you into their house, feed you. But yeah, so we just want to give you a little sum up. Tomorrow we're gonna bust some moves, hit the city streets, so we'll show you what the city's like. Okay, see you guys.
Good night.